Hi, welcome to our Light and Colour Day of Galway Science and Technology Festival. I'm Jane, I'm from Scoil Katrina Junior, and I want to do some investigations and experiments with you guys and demonstrations today. So I guess a lot of you know what happens when you mix colours. If you mix the colour red and yellow, do you know what colour you get? If you mix the colours blue and red together, do you know what colour you get? What would happen if you mixed all the colours of the rainbow together? That is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Do you know what colour you would get? Well, it's very easy to try this out. You can make yourself some colour wheels and try it out. Now, an easy way to get them to spin is to put a toothpick or a matchstick through the middle of your colour wheel, and then just get your nails underneath it and spin it like this. And you will see that red and yellow make orange. Okay. Now there is a better way to spin these if you happen to have these in your classroom or at home. This is a little motor. I've put 2 wires on it, and I have a source of energy. I have a battery. Now I'm going to put my wheel onto the motor, and I'm going to connect up the battery and the wires, and you should see the colour wheel starting to spin. And now you'll be able to see that red and yellow make orange. And you should be able to see that blue and red make purple. Can you see that? And if you have a rainbow disc, you should see that all the colours of light together, the 7 colours, make white. Now this is a bit surprising because if I mix all these colours together and I'm dealing with paint or with Play-Doh, they always turn out brown. But the colours of light, when you mix them all together, they should turn out white. And as you can see, the inside is white, flashes of white, and the outside is orange. So that's quite interesting to try. Now I also have some Benham discs, and they're very interesting because if you have white and black and you spin it together, you would imagine that you would see grey. But in actual fact you don't. Look at the colours you see. Can you see greens? Can you see yellows? Try out a Benham disc and see what colours you can see. Now, I have some things that I have got in. I have some little spinners that I got in my Christmas cracker, and these are really nice because the outside layer has blue and pink. The next layer has blue and yellow. The next layer has red and yellow. The next layer has white and blue. And when I spin these, you'll see that the colours all change. So I'm spinning it there, and you'll see that there are different colour changes in my little spinning tops. And they work in exactly the same way, except that it's easier to spin the tops. And you can buy ones like this, where you have the different different optical illusions, and when they spin, your brain gets a bit confused and you see what actually isn't there. You see a lot of lines radiating out from the middle. So they're very interesting, and they're nice things to try. I do have a Benham disc that I can show you that spins like that. And you can see the orange colour in the middle, even though there's only black and white. So that's very interesting to try for Science Week. Have fun making the spinners and have fun spinning them. You can make your own designs and your own colours and see what happens when you spin them.